G'day guys, in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, I'm talking about the play bar that we've introduced at the bottom of our videos. Why we're doing it, what they mean, how you can do your own. Roll the bumper! G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett, I'm the owner of GINGERBEARD Media, and in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, I want to talk about the play bar that we've introduced at the bottom of a lot of our videos. So the play bar is this automated red strip that moves along the video as we're playing. So why did we decide to introduce this? Well, simply put, social media is a fast-paced platform. And in that fast-paced platform, people usually skip out of things early. And so by having a play bar, you can do a couple of things. The first thing is you can tell your viewer how far they are through the video without them needing to check. And usually by the time they've checked, they're starting to check out of your video. So by having that play bar, they know how far they are through and how far they've still got to go. So not only is it informative, but psychologically it helps to bring them in, keep them tuned in, because they know they've only got a shorter and shorter period of time until the video finishes, which means that hopefully your watch time continues right to the end. So that's what the play bar is and why we use it. But if you wanted to create your own, then we should jump into Premiere Pro. So shrink me into a box, stuff me in the corner, and let's move to the monitors. So here we are in Premiere Pro. We have our full edited project, and that's the time that you want to do this. You want to do this right at the end. So we've got all of our cuts and sequence down the bottom here. First thing we want to do is to create a new item, which will be a color mat. We do want it the same size as the project, so this is a full HD project of 1920 by 1080, so we'll just click OK to that box. And then you can pick any colour you want for your play bar. For us, branding is red, so therefore the play bar is red. And we just click OK. You can choose a name for your colour mat if you want to distinguish it from others, but otherwise I just click OK, it's a colour mat, and I can see the colour down here in the thumbnail. So with that, we then drag the color mat onto our timeline, onto a fresh new track, and stretch it out for the full entire project. Oh no! Our project has turned entirely red, and that's okay. So what's happened is we have overlaid our image down the bottom with a full color mat of red. What we're going to do is jump up to the video effects panel, and in the position we're going to grab this second figure, which is the horizontal, and just bring it down. Now you can make the play bar as big or fat or wide as however you want it. So you can make it nice and big so it's really visible, or you can make it really tiny so no one hardly sees it. I tend to make mine probably about that. From there, what we'll do is set a keyframe at the end of this play bar so that it is complete. So what we do is we click the stopwatch in the position section, and what that does is create a keyframe. We can see that because there's a little dot over here. So that tells us, keyframe tells us that that is one piece of animation, and that's the end piece of animation. What we'll then do is ski it probably just touch off the bottom, off the start of the timeline, and then we're going to shift the color mat to one side. So to do that, we're going to grab this first figure in the position box and drag it, and you can see in the project window, the preview, you can see that as I move that figure up and down, it's moving that color mat backwards and forwards. So we'll bring that back to a start position. So we've now got two keyframes. We've got a start and an end. So if I was to skip through the project, the color mat nicely plays along, and we have our play bar. I want to talk about one more thing that I tend to do, which is I start my play bar, as you can see, not right at the beginning, so I don't have it disappear off the screen. And at the end, it tends to finish just before the video's actually finished. And the reason that I do that is predominantly because I don't want people thinking it's an error. So I make sure that there's a bit of a start to it right at the beginning, so it doesn't just suddenly appear and people are like, where did that come from? So there you have it. I think play bars are a simple way to keep your viewers engaged, and they're a simple thing to chuck into your edit, so why not have a go? As ever, I want to thank you guys for tuning in to this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business. If you've got any questions or comments, I would love to hear them. And if you're a business owner who's looking to shoot and use video to market your business, then why not join our free Facebook group, How to Shoot Video for Your Business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.